Hi everyone, so I'm here today at the 76th Bridge to Bridge race. This is my first vlog. So I'm in Windsor, Australia, and there is a boat race that comes once a year, and this is really exciting. And just turn this around. The water's behind me here, down here. They'll be coming about down there where that boy is down there. This is my first vlog, and my dad and brother are actually in this race, which is really exciting, so I can't wait. So I will vlog. Yes! Oh my god!
Hi everyone, so I don't know if you remember the last footage you see on this was a boat, which was my dad and my brother finishing. So to continue this vlog, we're still in the same day. I am actually about to go in a helicopter, which is going to be amazing. So I'll just quickly show you the helicopter, and then I'll probably turn it off and show you some more footage when we're in the actual copter, okay? So here guys, here's the helicopter. Not sure if you can hear me today, but that's the plan. So it's all this helicopter. I've never been in one before, so finally doing it. I'll see you when I'm actually in the plane up there in the sky. So see you later. Definitely worth the money for a 10-minute helicopter flight, which I really did love. So that was amazing. So I'm just on my way home at the moment. I'm just in the car, as you can probably tell, just on my way back home. About an hour and a half away from Sydney. So with my brother in the back. Do you remember Sam from the other video? Say hi.
Hi everybody, I just came second in the bridge that.
Yes, my brother came second in his class of the boat racing, and my mum's driving the car, so you hope she is. My mum Alison, so that's what I've been doing today. It's been a crazy eventful day. I've loved every bit of it. This has been a probably pretty fabulous first vlog I've ever done, so I'm pretty impressed with that. So I'm just gonna probably fall asleep now in the car on the back because it's been a pretty big day. I'll talk to you later guys.